Next, I'll click on save and then exit out of here. Now, I also want to create a 404 page using the theme builder. Now, if I go to my website and I enter in the wrong URL, like something like this, and press enter, we're brought to this page here, and this is really ugly. You know, it doesn't make a lot of sense. So we can create a unique 404 page for our websites. So let's do that. Let's go over here to add a templates, and then I'll click on build new templates. Now here you have a variety of options. Now I'll be covering the theme builder in detail in another video because obviously there is a lot to cover here, but most of you probably will never use most of these. Here at the bottom we have 404. I'll select 404 page and then click on create template. Next I'll click on add custom body. Then I'll click on build custom body. Now I'm kind of lazy here, so I want to pick from Divi's pre-made templates, and then I'll select a pre-made layout. And what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and just click on one of these templates. And all you have to do here is just select the templates that you basically like. So for example, I like this landing page. The gradient looks pretty cool. So I'll go ahead and use this layout. So for landing, I'll click on use this layout. All right, so here's our page. Now I'll click on the trash can and I just want to use this text. So I'm gonna delete all these elements. I don't know like the structure of this, but I'm just gonna wing it here. Okay, and then I'll delete all this other stuff down here below this. So I'm just basically kind of like nitpicking here. I just want to use this specific color, you know, because I just like it. Now this section here I don't really want, so I'm gonna delete the second column, and then I'm gonna center align this. Design, heading text, center align. Well, it looks like they have some options here that I didn't really see for the layouts. We'll just put flex. There we go. All right, there you go. Now this will be like, are you lost? Okay, and then I'll click on the plus and I'll just put in a button. There we go, plus. Okay, and then I will click on the add a new row and I will add a button in here. And then we can center align this, you know, put this in the center, or I'm sorry, the alignment center, there we go. And then I'll just change the style of this button really quick. Then I will click on the button and go to the button text and I'll put go home. And then for the link, you'll just put your home page. And then for the last step, I will just make this 100 VH. So section settings, design, then I'll click on sizing. And then for the height, I'll put 100 and then we're gonna select VH. Okay. Now the last step is to basically make this like a flex box so that we can align the contents in the center here because we got a lot of space down here. So scrolling up, I'll go to layouts and click on flex. And it looks like here they have some, oh, here we go, hold on. So column, right? And then yeah, justify the content so it's in the center just like that. So obviously you should basically recreate this to fit your, you know, your website style and everything, but I'm just demonstrating that you can use bits and parts of templates to quickly create sections on your websites. Now I'll click on save here at the top. Now let's try this one more time. Over here, I will hit the dash, hit some random gibberish, and it'll take us now to this 404 page that we created using the templates. So that is a quick rundown of how you can use the theme builder with the Divi theme. All right, party people, make sure to like this video. Now, I spent a long time strategizing and really, you know, putting a lot of thought into these tutorials because I want to make something advanced really simple for you. So as you guys saw, I really ease you guys into the basics and we slowly progress into the more wacky advanced options, you know. So I do hope this video helps you learn how to use the Divi theme step by step. If you guys have any questions for me about Divi or if there's anything that you want to ask me about Divi, let me know in the comments below. With that said, I will see all of you party people in the next video. Take care.